Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about the slope of the straight line. Slope formula m equal to tan theta and another formula m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Consider a straight line and take the end points. First point x1 y1, second point x2 y2. Let us find the slope of this straight line. Draw the line parallel to x-axis and another line parallel to y-axis. Now this angle is theta, and so the slope m equal to tan theta. So if the angle theta is given, then we have to use this first formula. Now this x distance is x2 minus x1 and this y distance is y2 minus y1, and we know that tan theta equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So using that concept, tan theta is opposite side divided by adjacent side, and so we get another formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If the points are given, then we have to use this formula. So if theta is given, use the first formula. If the points are given, then use the second formula. Now let us see the problems. What is the slope of a line whose inclination is 30 degree? So here given the inclination, that means angle theta equal to 30 degree. We know the formula slope m equal to tan theta, that is tan 30 degree, and we know the table value tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. This is a trigonometry table value. Next problem, what is the inclination of the line whose slope is root 3? Here the slope is given, we have to find theta. So given m equal to root 3. M formula tan theta equal to root 3. So here again we use the trigonometry table value. Tan of which angle gives the answer root 3? That is theta is 60 degree, because tan 60 degree only equal to root 3. Therefore theta value 60 degree. Next problem, find the slope of a line joining the points. 2 points are given. We have to find the slope. So if the points are given, then we use the formula m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We take the first point x1 y1 and second point x2 y2. And just substitute in the formula. y2 is 2 minus y1 1 divided by x2 minus 3 minus x1, that is minus of minus plus 6. And this simply we can remember like this, just subtract the y term divided by subtract x term. That is 2 minus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 6. This is equal to answer 1 divided by 3. Next is subdivision. Here also 2 points are given. We have to find the slope. Same formula m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And we take the first point x1 y1. Second point x2 y2, and substitute here minus 6 minus 10 divided by 14 minus 14. And here this is minus 16 divided by 0. Anything by 0 is infinity. So we get the answer equal to infinity. Similarly, third subdivision, 2 points are given. We have to find the slope. Formula m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We take the first point x1 y1, second point x2 y2, and now substitute in the formula. y2 minus y1, 3 by 7 minus 1 by 2 divided by x2 minus x1, 2 by 7 minus of minus plus 1 by 3. Now this numerator take LCM, 14 is the LCM, cross multiply the numbers 6 minus 7, that is minus 1 by 14. Denominator take LCM 21, cross the numbers 6 plus 7, that is 13 by 21. And this can be taken as minus 1 by 14 into this denominator take reciprocal and multiply. So taking reciprocal we get 21 by 13, and now we can cancel this 14 and 21 cancel by 7. So this is 2 times, this is 3 times. So final answer minus 3 divided by 26. Next problem, what is the slope of a line perpendicular to the line joining A5, 1 and P, where P is the midpoint of the segment joining 4, 2 and minus 6, 4. So one point is given already. Another point we have to take the midpoint of this. So given first point A equal to 5, 1. Next P is the midpoint of 4, 2 and minus 6, 4. We have to find the midpoint of this. Midpoint means add the number divided by 2. So therefore P equal to add the first numbers 4 minus 6 divided by 2, comma add the second numbers 2 plus 4 divided by 2. So this is equal to minus 2 by 2, comma 6 by 2, which is equal to minus 1, 3. So this is the second point. Now the question is we have to find the slope. Slope formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope of AP. So the first point A, second point P. Take the first point x1 y1 and the second point x2 y2. Substitute in the formula. y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus 5. This is equal to 2 divided by minus 6. Cancel by 2, we get the answer minus 1 by 3. This is slope of AP. We have to find the perpendicular slope. So the question is slope of a line perpendicular to the line joining AP. So we have to take the perpendicular slope of this. So to find the perpendicular slope, the method is that we have to take reciprocal and change the sign. Therefore, the slope of the line perpendicular to AP is take reciprocal, reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. And also change the sign. This minus we have to change it into plus. So the answer is 3. Thanks for watching.